An action is always equal to the reaction. Explain how a horse can pull a cart. See, what they're trying to tell is, we have a cart and it's been pulled by another. It can be an engine, it can be an horse, or it can be a person also. How is that this is possible? We have the action which is pulling. Say in this case the action is the cart is being pulled, while the reaction is the cart is pulling the horse. So let me explain this with the diagram. Okay, the question is this. We have a cart and an horse. So here the cart being pulled to the right is your action, and an equal and opposite force is your reaction. This is your reaction force. So basically this is our horse and this is the cart. So when these are equal and opposite, how is that the entire system moves? They're supposed to cancel each other, right? Well, the first thing is they are not on the same object. Is it not? The main force here is the horse pushing the ground and the ground pushing the horse back. So that's the main thing. So the force of friction is the one which is pushing the entire system forward. So this comes because of the horse pushing the ground. So basically over here, this is your action and this is your reaction. Again I repeat, the horse, I'm trying to draw a leg of a horse. Does that make sense? No, right? Yeah, that was not good. Better? Okay, you guys can, give me a break. What I mean to say is, please don't mind. Okay, so we have the horse pushing the ground and the ground pushing the horse. So this is happening at 4 different places and this entire system moves forward. So this is the main force. This force is the main force that is pushing the system forward. The horse and the cart, the interaction between them is not leading to the motion of the horse, but it's the interaction by the horse with the ground that is making the system move forward. Right? To write it in your exam, we should draw a free body diagram, this one. And then you should draw this. A horse has to pull the cart against the force of friction. To do so, it needs to have a force more than this force. It gets the required force by pushing the ground, that is the action force, and the ground pushing the horse back, the reaction force, and this is explained by Newton's third law. So this should be your answer. You need to learn to draw. Free body diagram always helps. So draw this diagram. If you want, you can draw this also. It will help to recall. You need not draw this for exam, not for exam. Right? So now please pause and have a look.